Hey Derek with Eliminex. I can hear it starting to snow out there. It's getting to that time, around noon, so I'm finishing up here. I gotta go freehold and get a couple traps that are out. It's been out since yesterday. I gotta just go pick those up today. I don't want that. One doesn't even, it's not even it doesn't have cover on it. If it was in a container, I could leave it today, but it's out in the open, so I gotta go get those traps. So I got riffraff traps here. I caught 3 yesterday, and I'm gonna leave a multi trap here. I'm still experimenting with these. Put some bait. There's a funnel. It goes through a funnel. Goes through this chamber, and then there's a gravity door. So it's like a little fun house. So hopefully the trick is to get them to go in there. Then I got the easy snaps where they go into the box. There's a snap trap inside, and then the glue boards. Glue boards are hit or miss, but I've had the most success with the glue boards and the easy snaps, but I'm experimenting with these multi traps because it just looks much cleaner. And if it did work, we could catch multiples. We can catch 5. That would be really cool. Like if you catch one, you'll catch more, basically. So I'm just kind of hoping I can find the right trap. And there's some traps that somebody turned me on to, and I'm going to order those soon. And they're double door traps, and they're very universal. You could use them outside too. You could use them as a one-way. So I hope I'll implement those, have some success, and start featuring them in my videos. You can see little footprints on the ductwork. So we were able to identify what the problem was, and also from the droppings, and also the contamination, how they're getting into the, all the holes are making into the insulation, like over here, and in the droppings. And there's just a lot of droppings on the other side. So we know what's going on there. I was already able to identify it before I started doing the job. So and it has been correct. I have been correct, so don't have to use any poisons. Just put a bunch of traps, make sure everything's free and clear. After 6 weeks, I'm going to start pest proofing this house, cover all the gaps, and then keep monitoring for another month. It's a process.